Welcome. In this video, we'll go over how you can enable SMS notifications for your Facebook events using the latest update on the Facebook website for PC. This quick guide will help you make sure you never miss an important event, reminder, or invite again, right from your phone's text messages. Let's jump right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Facebook website. Once you've logged into your account, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, choose the option labeled Settings and Privacy. This section allows you to adjust all your Facebook preferences, including privacy, security, and notifications. After selecting it, click on Settings to move to the main settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll notice several options listed. Go ahead and click on Notifications. This is where you can control how Facebook updates reach you, whether it's through email, push notifications, or in this case, SMS. Once inside the notification section, scroll down until you find the category labeled Events. This is the area that manages all updates related to upcoming events you're attending, invited to, or hosting. Now, look for the SMS option within the event section. Simply toggle it on or select Enable SMS Notifications. By turning this on, Facebook will send you text message alerts anytime there's an update or reminder about your events. And that's it. You've now successfully set up SMS notifications for events on Facebook. It's a simple change, but it can really help you stay on track, especially if you're someone who prefers getting updates directly to your phone rather than through the app or email. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with a friend who also uses Facebook on their computer. Stay tuned for more easy step-by-step guides to make your digital life simpler and more connected. Thanks for watching.